Hi guys, welcome to my second lane improvement for today. Today I'm going to fix what bugs me. In this case is my desk. It's always disorganized and I can never find anything. I also have this color pen, so I'm going to reutilize this bottle to put them so I don't have them over there. This is the bottle. I cut it. Now I have the space for my pens and it looks better that way. Yep, everything is placed. I have my notes, my pens, my calculator, and this is the final result. So I fixed what bugged me and everything's organized now.